Hello, I'm Ben and welcome to my YouTube channel, Recipes Around the World. I'm the creator of Recipes Around the World and I invite you to check out my blog at recipesaroundtheworld.com for a rich selection of food and drink recipes from around the world. This video is a part of my bartending series where I'm walking you guys through 11 categories of drinks in the bartending universe and beyond. Today's category is cream drinks, and the drink we're going to be making today is a White Russian, which is a sibling to the popular Black Russian. Little history on this drink. This drink was created in 1949 by Belgian bartender Gustav Tops as a treat for the US ambassador to Luxembourg at the time. But it wasn't until Jeff Bridges came out with the movie The Big Lebowski that this drink gained a lot of fame, right? So fun drink, very easy to make. It has the Russian name because, as we all know, Russians love vodka. So it's because of the vodka element that we call it a White Russian, okay? So we're gonna make this drink really quickly. The ingredients we're gonna be using today for the drink, we're gonna be using coffee liqueur or Kahlua. We're gonna use 1 ounce of Kahlua, 2 ounces of vodka. We're going to use heavy cream, float the drink with heavy cream, and then we're gonna garnish with some nutmeg, okay? So let's make this drink quickly. So we'll start off by filling our drinking glass with some ice, okay? I'm gonna make this in a regular cocktail glass right there. We're gonna fill our mixing glass with some ice as well. Okay, that's good. All right, so like I said, 1 ounce of Kahlua, coffee liqueur. Okay, that's good. And we're going to do 2 ounces of vodka. Okay. There's 1. Okay. There's 2. That's good. Now we're going to stir our drink. Okay. About 30 reps should do the job. But stir it to the point of your satisfaction. So the whole point of stirring is to chill the drink. Okay. Give it a nice chill. Mix the ingredients. So our drink is nice and chilled. Okay. Equipment, always have your equipment with you. Okay. So we're going to fill it to just about that level. Okay. And we're going to finish off with some heavy cream. I put in some sweetener in here, vanilla sweetener. You can use any sweetener to make the cream have additional flavor. Just float that on top. You can see there. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. See that? That is your White Russian. And we're going to finish off with some nutmeg on top. Excellent. If you want to, when you serve this drink, you can give it to your customers with a stir. Ask them to give it a little twirl if they want. Okay? Their choice. That, ladies and gentlemen, is our White Russian. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you liked the video, please subscribe to the channel. Please follow all my other videos and stay tuned for the next video in this drink series. Again, I'm Ben. This is the holiday season, so I wish you a Merry Christmas and I'll see you in the next video in this series. Take care. Cheers.